Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Peggy Skincare. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up, turn on your notification bell. That way you get updates whenever I post any new video. It's been so long, guys. Like, I hope you missed me. It's been super long. Like, it's been so long. Yeah, I came up here to make a video. So today I want to use this opportunity to say to you guys that I really miss you guys so very much, and I can't wait to come up here often. The reason why I've not been here is because of I had personal issues, but I'll try my best to come up here, do more videos. So guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your care. I really love you guys so much. Thank you for your massive patronage. A lot of you has been patronizing. Lot of you has been patronizing. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Yeah, I hope I'm looking beautiful. It's been so long. I've been so stressed up. Like, most of you see my post on my WhatsApp, and you ask me, Peggy, what are you using on your skin? I'm sure by now you might have known what I'm using on my skin. I'm using my skincare products, my promix set. Okay, it comes in a set, facial set, body sets. Has face cream, night face cream, day face cream, cleanser, scrub. It has body scrub, whitening soap, oil, lotion, and so on. So this set is wonderful. I can't stop using it. It's going to retain your color and give you this glow looking skin. Like, I'm born dark, but I'm using my skincare products, as you can see. Good looking skin. Yeah. So this is the Arabian Night face cream. Is inside the Shopapra set, and this is the Shopapra lotion. Okay, I've changed almost all my products, the container. Okay, usually my Shopapra lotion comes in 250 ml, but here this is now 350 ml. The face cream comes in 50 grams, so now this is 75 grams, and then the oil 150 ml. So I have the day face cream, which is a glossy face cream. I have the still in 750 ml. I have the whitening soap. This is my instant whitening soap. Usually it pours in 250 grams, but now this is 350. And then I have my whitening body polish scrub. Okay, this scrub, oh my god, you cannot embark in skincare whitening journey without getting scrub. This scrub is actually very effective. It whitens, it polishes the skin, it glows your skin, it helps exfoliate your skin. The good thing about my new scrub now is you can use it on your face, because you can use it on your face because this is actually a sugar scrub. It is safe for all skin type, and it also whitens. So I have vitamin C in my Shopapra set and so on. So like this scrub, I sold my scrub in 250 grams, but now this is 750 grams. Very huge. So that is a product I'm using. If I own a walk-in store and also online store, and also I bring my products mostly, since I work mostly at home, so I still have products at home. So that being said, you can feel free and take part in my upcoming training. Okay, just check the description box below. You see my WhatsApp number. Feel free to send us message or call us. Okay, I love you guys. That being said, okay, I can't wait to come here often. Thank you so much for those of you that has been my backbone, my die-hard fans. I really love you guys. Thank you so much. See you guys. Bye.